A very warm good morning to all of you students. This is your Nisha ma'am from MLP group of schools. So students, as you know, festive season is going on and we are celebrating these festivals. But MLP school is conducting some of the activity classes for you to celebrate these functions with the enthusiasm and with the in a well way. So students, to celebrate these functions, we need to just learn how to decorate our house and how to decorate our room and floor also. So students, we just do this thing with a few things of waste material also, which are available at your homes. So students, just try it and practice it and take participation in activities. So students, when God made the human beings and all the other creatures, he even didn't think that the human being can be such a clever creature of him that can create and that can make and that can design anything from any waste material and any other thing. Okay, so this world is full of beauty and beautiful things, and we just need to learn how to make our house beautiful with these things. So students, you know very well there are a lot of wastage at our houses, like waste bottles, waste balls, and waste bulbs also, which are fused. Okay, you can use these things for to decorate your house. So students, just try these things at your homes and learn how to decorate your homes with this waste material by arranging this. Okay students, so let us continue with these activities, and I hope you all are going to try and learn these things at your homes, and you all are going to participate in each activity. So students, let us continue our today's activity class. Okay, so students, in today's class we are going to decorate a bottle, a glass bottle. So students, in this class we need some of the cuttings of different colors of papers, and we have just cut them in the same shape, but it is not necessary that you have it in the same size. The size can be small or big. Okay, and after this I'm having these sparkling sheets, and I have made a flower also, and I'll teach you how to make this flower about in this class, and how will you make it. Okay, so I'm having a stapler and a Fevicol, and this is my bottle. Okay, so students, I have used scissor in it, and when it just we are just going to decorate this bottle with these cuttings and different types of flowers made up of these sparkling sheets. So students, let us continue our today's class. Okay, so students, as you can see very well that I have pasted these papers like this on the bottle, and you can paste it in this manner also. So just do that on this bottle completely first. So students, I am pasting these like this. I have put some Fevicol on this paper, and I have pasted it on the bottle. So students, as you can see, I am just pasting these pieces of paper one by one according to the colors, and it depends on you completely what colors you want to paste on it. I have pasted some Fevicol on this paper and just paste on it like this. Okay, it is very easy, student, and you can look at it. It is continue it. So students, now as you can see, I have completed this bottle, and it is looking very beautiful in this multicolored papers. So students, now I am having this glittering sheet with me, and I am going to paste its layer like this, and like this, here and here, into areas, okay, on its neck. So students, as you can see, I have pasted these two layers of this same tape. Now I am going to show you the flowers which I made. This one, and this one made from the sparkling sheets. So students, I'll tell you how to make these flowers at home. So students, after this we are going to just paste these flowers on the upper portion of this bottle like this, and this flower is going to be stuck here. Okay, so I think it will look very good, students, and let us now do it. So students, as you can see that I am having a cap of a bottle, and I'll just stuck it here. I just paste it here like this, and after this I'll have these flowers in it. Okay, so it will look nice, and after that it will be the head of our bottle. So students, let us do this activity. So students, now as you can see very well that I have took this cap of a bottle, and just colored it with paint, nail paint, and after that I have made this flower and these two flowers and stuck these flowers into it, and after that I have made this flower pot on this bottle. After that students, I have pasted these two types of tapes on its neck, and students, now look at it, it's looking very pretty. And now we are just going to put something decorative things in this area, and one layer of flowers also on it. So students, let's continue with it. So students, now as you can see, I'm having a lace with me, and I'm going to just paste it on this area of bottle, this, and so students, let us continue with this lace. Okay, so students, now just look at this bottle. It is looking very pretty now, and you can add more things on it. If you have some more material, you can put some of the mirrors and other decorative things like stars also. Okay students, so paste on it and it will look very pretty to you, students. So let us talk about these flowers now. I have took this glittering sheet, and just I will tell you how to learn it to make. Okay, so students, as you can see, whichever material I am having with me, I pasted on it. Look at this, I have some mirrors of plastic. I have pasted these on it, and some of the stars and other things which I am having with me, I just pasted on it. Students, whatever material which you have, you can paste on it, and students, look at it, it is looking very pretty, and it will decorate your house, decorate your home very well. So students, let us start how to make a flower. Okay, I'm talking you about this flower first. Okay, so students, as you can see I'm having a sheet with me, and I just fold it like this, okay, and just cut it from here. So students, as you can see, I have cut it like this, okay. So now take a pencil and we just have to cut like this, okay, like this, and we have to cut it till this line. इस लाइन तक हमने इसको कट करना है, like this students, okay. This is a scissor and just cut it like this till this line, okay, like this, okay. We have cut it at the end point. So students, as you can see, I have cut it like this, okay. Now start just rotating it like this, okay. Start rotating like this and it will make a complete flower. Students, as you can see, your flower is ready, okay. So students, I have made these flowers like this through this method. So students, your bottle is ready now to design your house and to decorate your house. So students, try it. So students, as you can see very well, it looks very pretty from top to bottom, and you can decorate it in what manner which you want. So students, take care, bye bye. Thank you students.